Advaligno. The demand for high-quality wood is growing every year. According to recent studies, about 70% of the wood used to make veneer furniture is produced on special plantations. Traditionally, caring for trees on such sites involves huge financial costs. People have to harvest the branches by hand, spending a lot of time and effort. The Advaligno device of German manufacture can be called revolutionary because it saves time, effort, and money. The Advaligno is an equipment for the mechanical tree pruning, which allows to obtain wood of high quality. The use of traditional pruning methods means that 4 or a maximum of 6 trees per hour will be processed. Advaligno allows you to get rid of the branches of 40 or 50 trees per hour. With the help of the equipment, the trees can be cut even at great height. The limit of the working range is 12 to 15 meters. A definite advantage is the fact that Advaligno not only fulfills its tasks quickly, it is also easy and quick to attach to a tree trunk and to take off. The Portamill PM14. Wood production is a simple but slow process. The bark is cut from the 4 sides of the sawn tree trunk to obtain a perfectly flat wood with a square or rectangular cut. At home, the procedure can be performed with an electric saw. However, in such a case you have to be very precise. The Portamill PM14 is a device that greatly simplifies and accelerates the processing of the trunks. In fact, the Portamill PM14 is a device that moves the saw along the track, allowing for a perfectly flat cutting edge with minimal effort. Preparation for work takes less than 7 minutes. It should be noted that the sawmill can be equipped with an oil tank, so that even under intense work, the saw remains cold and oiled. The cutting height is adjustable, i.e. with the help of this equipment, it's possible to produce wood and boards of different thicknesses. Another advantage is its low weight and compact dimensions. Portamill PM14 fits easily, even in the trunk of a car. Ravor WRC 1250 AC. The equipment you see on the screen is used for industrial wood processing. This is a versatile, high-performance horizontal bandsaw. It provides fast and accurate cutting, allowing wood to be handled quickly. A notable feature is the ability to monitor cutting processes using the built-in video camera. It's definitely worth paying attention to the solid and robust construction of the chassis, equipped with rolls and turners that allow it to turn even large, heavy logs quickly and easily, moving them sideways, backwards and forwards. The rollers have a retractable design so that the wood can be placed in the optimum position. It can be lifted from either end as well. Therefore, it's possible to process a tree quickly within the accuracy of 1 millimeter. The place where the operator sits is in the immediate vicinity of the saw, so the work is always carried out under the control of the person. '8000 series firewood processor. The Canadian company Bell's Machining produces a variety of equipment designed to work with tree trunks. The most powerful machine in the model range is the 8000 series. It's a machine created specifically to work with large trees. It's equipped with a 152 cm circular saw and an 18 cm splitter cylinder. The engine power is 127 horsepower. The outstanding operating characteristics allow working with trees with a maximum diameter of 67 centimeters. The length of the trunk at the same time can reach 9 meters. The work is carried out in several stages, first using a circular saw with a longitudinal cut for the log. The resulting piece is then divided into several small pieces that are sent along the conveyor belt to the storage site, removing sawdust, shavings, and other debris on the way. Bosch Smart Cut 700. Here we have a fully automated equipment for the production of firewood. The Austrian company Bosch is dedicated to the production of these machines. It has three main advantages. The first is their efficiency, thanks to a maximum cutting diameter of 20 centimeters. The second is the compactness, as the weight of the equipment doesn't exceed 920 kilograms. And the third advantage is its speed. The Smart Cut 700 allows you to process 4 to 8 cubic meters of wood per hour. The intelligent device makes the work of a single person efficient, convenient, and most importantly, safe. The person's contact with a working saw is minimized. The position of the saw blade is adjustable, so the size of the wood obtained after processing varies. You can also set the saw angle to obtain firewood of different shapes. Rex Log Saw. The usefulness of equipment today is measured by the ease and speed of work. The Rex Log Saw sawing device is very useful in that sense. After all, it allows a single person to perform operations for which, using a conventional chainsaw, 3 to 5 people would be needed. Surprisingly, the maximum diameter of the trunk can be 1.1 meters. The Rex Log Saw is designed to cut logs along the length to create firewood with the resulting blocks. A 122 cm chainsaw, powered by a 50 horsepower Deutz diesel engine, is used for the work. With the help of a loader, the wood is loaded onto a special platform. From there, it's sent to the ramp that moves them towards the saw. It should be noted that the blocks are the same size with a perfectly flat cut. The finished blocks are withdrawn on a conveyor belt, removing residual sawdust during transportation.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.